Hello students, welcome to the math channel. In the previous videos we have completed chapter number 9. Now we'll start with chapter number 10, and chapter number 10 is one of the most important chapters, and name of the chapter is trigonometric identities. So trigonometric identities means you have to learn three identities. The very first identity, the sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You can prove also sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is base square upon hypotenuse square. LCM is hypotenuse square. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square on hypotenuse square, it is 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. It will be for any value थीटा, बट शर्त ये है कि थीटा आपका दोनों में सेम होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सेकेंड, इसी से ही डिड्यूस करेंगे हम. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा कैन बी रिटन एज 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, और कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा कैन बी रिटन एज 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. So this can be used. Second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So again we can solve or prove sec theta is hypotenuse square upon base square. This is perpendicular square upon base square. LCM is base square, hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. This is base square upon base square, and this is 1. So इसी से ही आगे आपके फॉर्मूले निकलेंगे. सेक स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस टेन स्क्वायर थीटा, एंड टेन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. द लास्ट आइडेंटिटी इज कोसेकेंट स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. वी कैन प्रूव इन द सेम वे, एंड cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. So these are the identities which we will be using in solving the questions of this chapter, and the relations also you have to remember, like sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Similarly, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, and tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Similarly, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. This also you have to remember in doing the questions. See, these are basic questions. We have learned in the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 minus cos square a will be equal to sin square a, or into cosec square a, and I can write cosec square a as 1 upon sin square a. This is cancelled. Answer is 1, that is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Similarly, second question, you have to remember the identities. 1 plus cot square a is cosecant square a into sin square a. Cosecant square a can be written as 1 upon sin square a into sin square a. Again, it is equal to 1. Third question also, direct identities you will be putting. Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta, and cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. Tan square theta into cot square theta can be written as 1 upon tan square theta. This is cancelled. Again is equal to 1. So these are very simple identities. Now question number 4. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta you have to prove as sec theta into cosecant of theta. Tan theta I can write as sin theta upon cos theta, and 1 upon sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta, this will be reversed, cos theta upon sin theta. I will take LCM. Sin theta cos theta This is sin square theta plus cos square theta. So this is 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Why it is 1 upon sin theta cos theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1. I can write this as 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta and 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta. That is equal to right hand side, hence proved. See question number 5. Cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. तो यहाँ पर देखिए आपको ट्रिक लगानी पड़ेगी. ट्रिक क्या होगी कि 1 प्लस साइन थीटा यहाँ नीचे है डिनोमिनेटर में और यहाँ जो हमें प्रूव करना है इसका कॉन्जुगेट है 1 माइनस साइन थीटा और वो नीचे की जगह कहाँ है? ऊपर है. तो हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिखेंगे और ये हमें खुद से समझना पड़ेगा कि हमें 1 माइनस साइन थीटा का ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो किसी भी सवाल में हम ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्वेश्चन पर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. सो cos थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस साइन थीटा. नेक्स्ट स्टेप cos थीटा 1 माइनस साइन थीटा. दिस इज a प्लस बी, a minus b, a square minus b square. So cos theta 1 minus sin theta. This can be written as cos square theta. So 1 cos theta will be cancelled. It is 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, that is equal to RHS and hence proved. Did you understand? So हम conjugate का multiply कर सकते हैं questions को solve कर. Next देखिए, left hand side is cos square a plus 1 upon, you have to remember the identity, 1 plus cot square a is cosecant square a. So cos square a reciprocal of cosec square a is sin square a. Sin square a plus cos square a is always 1, that is equal to RHS. See question number 7 is of same type. Like again you have to multiply the conjugate. So here 1 minus cos theta is in the numerator and in right hand side 1 plus cos theta is in the denominator. So they are conjugate. We will be taking left hand side and we will be multiplying by 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Multiplying by the numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Again a plus b, a minus b. This is 1 minus cos square theta sin theta 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta upon sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So this is cancelled. Sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta, this is equal to right hand side. So same type of question. Now next question. Again this is same type of question. You have to multiply by the conjugate and then you have to simplify it further. So left hand side sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. You will be multiplying by 1 plus cos theta, the numerator and the denominator. Now I will write directly. This will be 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta 1 plus cos theta upon sin square theta. 1 sin theta will be cancelled. Finally 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. This we have done in the previous question. Now you have to prove this. So we can write it separately in this way. Now 1 upon sin theta is cosecant of theta and cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta. This is equal to right hand side. Next question. 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta whole square. See, वैसे तो हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ही लेते हैं, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड सॉल्व कर सकते हैं और कभी कभी ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आप राइट हैंड साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सॉल्व कर लें, तो दैट कैन बी पॉसिबल. लेकिन हम यहाँ अभी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ही ले रहे हैं. 1 माइनस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन थीटा तो यू हैव सीन, अभी हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस इसी तरह के किए हैं. वी विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय द कॉन्जुगेट. अब यहाँ पर जो कॉन्जुगेट लेंगे वो डिनोमिनेटर का कॉन्जुगेट. So the conjugate of denominator will be 1 plus sin theta is the denominator. So it will be 1 minus sin theta. So here 1 minus sin theta whole square upon 1 minus sin square theta again. Opening the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab upon cos square theta. अलग अलग डिवाइड करेंगे. 1 upon cos square theta sin square theta upon cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos square theta. This is sec square theta. This is tan square theta minus 2 into sin theta upon cos theta I can write, and 1 upon cos theta. So sec square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 tan theta sec theta. So this is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is a minus b whole square, and this is right hand side, hence proved. Now question number 10, directly you will be applying the identity in the left hand side. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta into tan theta upon sec square theta. Change into sin and cos. So 1 upon sin square theta whole upon into sin theta upon cos theta whole upon 1 upon cos square theta. This is cancelled. So this is 1 upon sin theta cos theta multiplied by cos square theta. 1 cos theta is cancelled. So finally you will get cos theta upon sin theta, that is equal to cot theta, that is equal to right hand side. See in question number 11, tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. So how you will solve? Take left hand side and change tan theta in the form of sin and cos. So this is sin square theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta. I will take sin square theta as common. It is 1 upon cos square theta minus 1. And 1 upon cos square theta is sec square theta minus 1. And with the help of identity, sec square theta minus 1, I can write it as tan square theta. So this is equal to the right hand side. So you have to remember the identities. Similarly, देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, देखने में कितना बड़ा लग रहा है, हमको साफ समझ में आ रहा है कि 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा है और ये 1 माइनस साइन थीटा इंटू 1 प्लस साइन थीटा 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा हो जाएगा a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर की वजह से. अब ये 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा क्या होता है? सेक स्क्वायर थीटा, और ये होता है cos स्क्वायर थीटा. सेक स्क्वायर थीटा को 1 अपॉन cos स्क्वायर थीटा लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज कैंसिल्ड, दिस इज 1 एंड इक्वल टू आर. See next question, sin square a cot square a plus cos square a into tan square a, you have to prove it as equal to 1. So we will be taking left hand side, sin square a, cot is cos upon sin, so cos square a upon sin square a plus cos square a, and tan is sin square a upon cos square a. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. Finally you will get cos square a plus sin square a. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. So right hand side के equal आ गया. Now question number 14. See question number 14, you will be taking LCM. Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta will be the LCM. So here 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta and plus cos square theta. Now 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus sin theta whole square plus cos square theta upon cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta whole square will be expanding by a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab plus cos square theta upon cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta I can write it as 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 plus 2 sin theta upon cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. I will be taking 2 as common. 1 plus sin theta is left in the numerator. Cos theta 1 plus sin theta. This is cancelled. 2 into 1 upon cos theta is left. So 2 sec theta, that is equal to RHS. See question number 15. You have to prove. We will be taking left hand side. So this is a plus b whole square and this is a minus b whole square. So I will be expanding 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. Here 1 plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta upon 2 cos square theta. So 2 sin theta plus and minus will be cancelled. So this will be 2 plus 2 sin square theta upon 2 cos square theta. 2 I am taking common. 1 plus sin square theta upon 2 cos square theta. So in right hand side सारा आंसर sin theta में है, तो I can write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta with the help of identity. So this is equal to right hand side. See, this is from your NCERT book. You have to solve this separately as equal to tan square theta and this term as equal to tan square theta. So first we will be taking 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta and this is cosec square theta. This is 1 upon cos square theta, 1 upon sin square theta. So ultimately I can write 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta upon 1. So this is finally sin square theta upon cos square theta, that is equal to tan square theta. Now next 1 minus tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta whole square. So 1 minus tan theta and this I can write as 1 upon tan theta whole square. So 1 minus tan theta upon tan theta minus 1 upon tan theta whole square. So 1 minus tan theta here and this will be reversed tan square theta upon I will be taking minus as common to make it same and this is whole square. Okay, so this is cancelled and finally it is minus tan theta whole square. So minus a square is plus, so this is tan square theta. So both the terms are equal to tan square theta. 17th question, 1 plus sec theta upon sec theta is equal to sin square theta upon 1 minus cos theta you have to prove. So change it in cos. This is 1 upon cos theta. After taking LCM, this will be cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta into cos theta upon 1. So this is cancelled. 1 plus cos theta is only left. Here we are not having 1 plus cos theta. So I will be multiplying by 1 minus cos theta in the numerator and the denominator. So this will be 1 minus cos square theta upon 1 minus cos theta. With the help of identity, 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta 1 minus cos theta, that is equal to right hand side. See, this is the interesting question. Sec of 6 theta can be written as tan 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta sec square theta plus 1. So we will be taking left hand side expansion of sec 6 theta. तो देखिए sec of 6 theta को मैं क्या लिख सकती हूँ, sec square theta का क्यूब लिख सकती हूँ and sec square theta can be written because in right hand side I am having tan square theta tan 6 theta. So I will be writing sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta उसका cube. Now this is what a plus b whole cube. What is the formula of a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, right? So 1 plus tan 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta, and 1 plus tan square theta can be again written as sec square theta. So these are the terms in right hand side. So this is equal to RHS. See, in this question, sec a minus tan a upon sec a plus tan a is given to you, and आपको answer prove करना है cos और sin में. So better is to change the left hand side in sin and cos. So sec a is 1 upon cos a, sin a upon cos a. Similarly, 1 upon cos a plus sin a upon cos a. After taking LCM, 1 minus sin a upon cos a, and this is 1 plus sin a upon cos a. So this cos a is cancelled. Finally, 1 minus sin a upon 1 plus sin a. So what you are observing in this right hand side, we are having 1 plus sin a whole square in the denominator. So we will be multiplying 1 by 1 plus sin a in the numerator. यहाँ पर ऑब्जर्वेशन है, यहाँ पर कॉन्जुगेट का मल्टीप्लाई नहीं है. आफ्टर ऑब्जर्विंग द राइट हैंड साइड, सो दिस इज 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर ए एंड दिस इज 1 प्लस साइन ए होल स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज कॉस स्क्वायर ए अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन ए होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू RHS. See question number 20, left hand side, sec theta plus cos theta and sec theta minus cos theta is multiplied. So a plus b, a minus b, I can directly write it as sec square theta minus cos square theta. Now I have to change this in this. I will be changing sec square theta is 1 upon cos square theta minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos 4 theta upon cos square theta. So 1 minus cos 4 theta can be written as 1 plus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta upon cos square theta. Why it can be written? See, 1 की power 4 तो हम लिख सकते हैं. This is again a square minus b square. 1 square whole square minus cos square theta whole square upon cos square theta. So a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b. So 1 plus cos square theta will not be changed. This is sin square theta upon cos square theta. Now I will be writing separately 1 upon multiply sin square theta plus cos square theta sin square theta upon cos square theta. Now I will be writing separately sin square theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta sin square theta upon cos square theta. This is cancelled. Sin square theta upon cos square theta is tan square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to RHS. So we have completed 20 questions of this exercise in this video, and if this video deserves a like, kindly smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.